I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable on and off switches on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our settings app. And as you can see with this toggle, let's say airplane mode, if I toggle that on, it's either green or grayed out. And that typically signifies whether it's on or off. But we can also see on or off indicators on these switches. So first, we're going to scroll down to accessibility. Then we're going to click display and text size. Here we will select on and off labels. Now you can see all of these toggle switches have a 0 or an O for off, and then a 1 or an I for being on. If I put this reduce transparency, you can see that on toggle is there. And then if I take this off, all of those toggles do not show the on or off label. So you can toggle that so that you can see whether or not something is on or off, or at least so you can see the on or off label on that indicator.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.